Hello YouTubers, this is Flexo013 together with Gwizzle01.
Hello.
And today we're gonna put together my new computer.
Yes. Yeah, I hope we're going to finish that for tonight.
Yeah, so we'll hope to be done with it in a few hours. But first the components, what are we going to put in it?
Well, first the motherboard. We have put in an ASUS. This is a pretty good motherboard for gaming and stuff like that, so we put in this one. It will be. It also looks very beautiful if you open it up.
Yeah, just open up the box.
Look at that.
That's
beautiful.
the motherboard. Isn't it a beauty?
With the cooling systems here and here, memory here, processor there. Over there, and here we have the graphics card and some other stuff, but I cannot explain everything.
Yeah, because we have only 15 minutes, stupid YouTube limit, but whatever.
Exactly. Next we have the i5 Intel inside. It's, I think, I'm not even sure, it's the 2500K?
2500K.
Yes, okay, it's a quad-core 3.3 gigahertz, so that's pretty good.
And then the graphics card?
It's a ZOTAC GeForce GTX 560. It's HDMI input. It's 2 gigs of it has 2 gigs of memory. I don't know the exact clocking things, whatever you want to call it, the clocking speed exactly, but this is a pretty good card if you want to game and stuff like that. It's pretty good.
I think if we can open it over here, it has very nice bubble wrap.
Yes,
it's exclusive bubble wrap thingy.
It's also huge, and compared to mine, it's pretty huge. This video card.
But we'll get back to that later. Then the next thing,
the memory. It's Corsair Vengeance 8 gigabytes. DDR3. Well, says enough, I think. It's pretty huge in my opinion. I mean, it's two slots, so
yeah, I think
huge.
I don't know how big they are.
Or it's just some sort of useless package or something.
Yeah. And then we have the power supply.
Power supply is 700 watts. It's, in my opinion, it's way too much, but it's...
I will definitely have enough.
It's good, it's good. It's of course Writemaster. In my opinion, the best power supply delivery. And so that was the power supply, and then we have a Seagate.
The Seagate
Barracuda.
1 terabyte hard drive.
I would advise people to buy or a Seagate or a Western Digital if you want a hard drive, because they're very stable and very good. And well, that was the hard drive. Oh.
Then next we have a regular DVD writer. It does what it's supposed to do, and you can put it in there and it will work. That's the cheapest. It's basic and it's working. Exactly. And then the nicest part of my entire computer.
It's the case. It's a Writemaster. It's the
Writemaster 692 Advanced.
It's the second model of this case. I don't know what actually changed in the second model. I'm sorry. I know this is new in the second, and well, it's Writemaster again because they make great cases, and it's good for building and easy to put in the hard disk and all the other stuff. So that's why we put in this one, and it's not very fancy and not too much light in it.
Yeah, so there is some light, but there's a button over here.
Yeah, that's only for the fan over here, I think.
It says lights.
It says lights. Well, then it should be a light. I'm not sure. I think it's a fan down here.
Yeah, that's also has some lights.
Probably. So we will put this open now, and we will do a time lapse of us building this thing, computer.
Everything, putting it together, and hoping it will work.
Which might take some time.
Yeah, it might take some time, but the monitor and everything, that's all external, and we will get that down here as soon as we try to test it. So, and guys, enjoy the time lapse, and we're starting with the building. Okay guys, as you can see, we're done with the computer. It's working and everything. It took us 2 days from the last shot. We had some power supply issues. There was something wrong with a missing motherboard, a power supply cable, but we got a working one, and as you can see, everything is working fine. Lights are happy, fan is happy, he's glowing, and I got everything installed together with Gwizzle, and I'm very proud of my computer. Looks nice. We did it, and it's amazing. Now let's try it out, and in the future videos from here on, all of it will be recorded on this insane beast. So see you next time guys on the next high quality video.